Hi and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking more in depth about mortal powers. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it. This is the website of Mortal Powers. You can access it by going to mortalpowers.io. As per the website, it is an Ethereum play-to-earn NFT video game where the gamers will be able to create their characters and give them unique superpowers. A little bit about this story. So this is about the time when the galactic peace was hanging in the balance and the heroics are often the acts of survival. So the evil Streds were looking for a mystical power which is known as Valorheart, which would give them the ultimate, power to rule the universe out there. And the fate of the universe had fallen into a group of unkind people. So the Streds would track the location of this Valorheart, and they found it in an ancient mountain of Ellek on the home planet of Fanden. Since the soul of Valorheart was unable to determine, they gave each group out there a power that they can use in the arena battle tournament. The victor would receive the power of Valorheart and the ultimate control of the universe. So mortal powers would allow the gamers out there so that they can build mortal avatars and they can select the powers from the great heroes of the past. The gamers would then compete in a combat PvP winner that takes all of the battle of the mortal powers token, which is $MPT. And this token will be used only as an in-game asset, but the gamers out there can also stake these tokens and receive a competitive and realistic return. This token was built on a gas-efficient ERC20 Ethereum network, and the play-to-earn game mode will allow the gamers out there to increase their skills and they can level by fighting within the MP dojo. Here's the roadmap of the company. In the phase 1, the focus is on launching the heroes Q2 2022, minting of the Fanden characters, and the MP holders will be able to stake their NFT in exchange for the $MPT token. And this token will be used for game build operations and other utilities. In the phase 2, there will be marketplace integration, whereas marketing efforts will be involved. They will be focusing on hiring additional team members. In the phase 3, the focus is on hero support charitable donation, and the mortal power would make donations to support various humanitarian causes around the world. In the phase 4, the focus is on launching the heroes Q3 2022. Buying, selling, trading of the NFT shall take place. In the phase 5, we will be working on launching the villains Q4 2022, and the Fanden NFT holders will have a chance of getting the airdrop as well. There will be release date for minting the NFT, which will come soon after that. In the phase 6, the focus is on game pilot launch Q4 2022, and the lucky MP holders will have the opportunity to test and pilot the games, and there will be game launch Q2 to Q3 of 2023, and the early adopters out there would receive $MTS token. So to summarize, phase 1, we are focusing on August launch Fanden in-game superheroes. It is an upcoming NFT drop. In phase 2, the focus is on Q4 launch Streds in-game villains. Is the future NFT drop as well. In phase 3, the Q2 of 2023, the focus is on play to earn NFT video game launch. When it comes to tokenomics, there will be immediate staking, which will be available to all the holders out there upon purchase. The mortal power token $MPT, it will be provided as a reward, and this token can be used for end game leveling up powers versus challenge, tournament style, one-on-one. You can earn even more by battling other games. There will be P2E for practicing within the dojo sessions. The staking rewards can also be redeemed without unstaking, and it will be available for trade and purchase on Uniswap. And rewards out there can also be used to purchase additional NFTs. Normally, the pre-sale minting will have 3 stages with 2 WL levels, so platinum and gold. In platinum, there will be 77 rarest NFTs, whitelisted spot with maximum mint of 3, and it is launching on the 25th of August. In the gold stage, there will be 700 whitelisted spots with a maximum mint of 3, and the launch date is 26th of August. In public sale, which is launching on 29th of August, there will be 7,000 available, maximum mint of 3. The Mortal Powers project represents this synergy between earning wages and good deeds. You can earn passive income while also supporting the humanitarian projects. The collection would support everyday heroes such as doctors, teachers, police officers, so that's really good. The NFT holders would vote on various charitable projects on a quarterly basis as well, and 20% of the Mortal Powers annual revenue will be dedicated to these heroic projects. This is their Instagram page. They do have a following of 25-32 followers, so that's really good. Definitely check it out to stay updated about new NFT projects they are working on. You can also join them on their Discord page, so that's really good. They have 83 members, so this project is in its very early stages, so a lot more exciting stuff to come. And this is their Twitter page. They do have a following of 1,107 people, so that's really good. Over here, they make regular updates about stuff they are working on, new airdrops and giveaways. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, check out their social media pages. Overall, Mortal Power looks quite promising. The project is in its very early stages, but I like the idea that they decided to link this project with a humanitarian causes. So I'm really excited about it. Check out all the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care.